Hey everyone, and welcome back to DiviPerfect. Today I'm very excited to show you my Divi Image Compressor plugin that I've been working on. One of the reasons why I wanted to create an image compressor plugin is because currently I do all my compressions in either Photoshop or Affinity, and then from there I compress the quality and save them as WebP before uploading. And I kind of just wanted something a little bit easier. I essentially wanted to create a plugin that allowed users to upload an image of any size. And then from there, they would then just go to their media library and upload the images. So some of the features that I have here is a compression quality slider. This will allow you to choose what percentage you'd like to compress. I tend to go for between 60 and 80. I have the default set to 80, but I think the sweet spot's normally around 70. This way that your images are still decent quality, but they are reasonably quite small. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head over to my media library. And you can see here I've already uploaded my YouTube thumbnail icon that I'm just testing around with. You can see that it has been saved as a WebP at 118 kilobytes. And you can see the size right here. Now I'm going to open this up in a new tab. And you can see that the quality of the image is still quite well. So I'm just going to go to this one here. You can see on my desktop, there's an image right here. You can see when I hover over it, it says the file size is 5.14 megabytes, and it is almost 3000 pixels by 1500 pixels. So if we go back to settings and go to image compressor, you can see you can set the max width of the actual plugin. So this way, when you upload your images, it automatically crops it to either this width or this height here, and then compresses the image for you. So what you can do is you can keep the original file as well. However, I prefer to have this set as off. That way you're not uploading multiple images of the same or the same image multiple times, just different sizes. So I've just disabled this toggle right here, and I've enabled the compression, and I'm just going to go to my media library, and I'm just going to show you this again. So if I go properties here, you can see that the file size is 5 megabytes. And I'm just going to upload this. And then once it's uploaded, it's automatically going to compress it for you. So if we go and search here, you can see it's 118 kilobytes large. And yeah, that's it. If you'd like to read more, I have this page right here. You can go through. I'll be linking it in my video's description, and I'll notify everyone once it's live on the Divi Marketplace.